Hey guys, I just got back home with a big old box of fish from overseas. It's time to open it up and see what we got. Dumbo mosaic ribbon fin, females, still alive. Here we have Dumbo mosaic ribbon fin males. All seem to be alive. Here we have red dragon ribbon fins. Looks like they're all alive. Here we have mosaic ribbons, females. All still seem alive. Beta. Beautiful fish. Very, very pretty. A whole nother bag full of betas, several. Metallic green half moon. Half moon red. Looking good. Got here half moon, pink, green, and red. Getting them up here in their containers, getting them acclimating. Here we go, a whole nother bag full of betas. Get them out. Everything looks to be alive. Let's do it like this. There's a Half Moon placket. Another Half Moon. Metallic blue. Half Moon Super Red. Another Half Moon placket. Very pretty. Half Moon placket. They look really good for being bagged up. They normally lose a little color when they get shipped. I'm excited to see how much they color up. Here's another Dumbo placket. Pretty little fish. Alright. And yet another bag with littler bags of betas. So far, everything seems to be alive. No issue. Really had this bag knotted up. I'm so glad to be doing this with you guys. Ew, another Dumbo Half Moon. Super pretty. Look how big them fins are. Wow. I really like that one. I like them all. Here's another Half Moon placket. Same thing. I'm very, very surprised. Well, not surprised. I'm very thankful. So far, everything seems to be doing just fine. Alright, here we are back with a big bag of guppies. These are the Red Dragon females. Everyone seems to be alive. They're real light right now, but these are full gold males. Put them down here. Full gold ribbon females. Can't wait to see these guys color up. More full golds. Ribbon fin. Sorry, I'm off camera. I'm just setting it down over here on something flat to open this knot. I believe these are some more guppies they bagged individually. Red tail. Yeah, these are my red tailed, Dumbo red tails. This is a female, so not very colorful, but in there. These are all red tail, ribbon fin females. Another ribbon fin female. Stunning fish. More individually bagged red dragons, guppies. Let's get them out and see how they're doing. I guess I really need to work on these over here. Cut this one open because they taped the top. Alright. Sorry for the long video, but I got a lot of fish. I can get that sucker to turn sideways. There we go. Red dragon ribbon. Red dragon. These are all going to be the red dragons. Alright, I'll just show you a couple more of these guys because I got a bag full of them and I try to make this video not super long. Man, these things look good. Sorry, the video's not that great. I'm gonna have to start hurrying up. It's been a while. And these red dragons look really nice. They're really light right now. They got to color up quite a bit. See, these are all red dragons. This is super pretty. All doing great. Not a death yet. Not a single death. Okay, what do we got here? More of the dragons. Can't even get this rubber band off. Takes care of that. Some more of my dragons. See, I'm just gonna do this real quick and then get them in the water. They're a bunch in there and they all still seem to be alive. Again, these are my red dragon, Dumbo red dragons. They got individually kept for the red dragons. Just wanted to make them. Just wanted to keep each one protected because these are probably the more sought after strain. I got standard fin and ribbon fin in all my strains I ordered. I know I told you I'd stop showing, but I can't help it. They're pretty. I'm in love. Wow. That one has a beautiful body pattern. Very dragony. I just want to show that every fish I've got so far is extremely healthy and doing very well. Oh gosh. Still got several bags to go through. I'm sorry it's taking so long. Alright, here we are. Full gold males. Back to the full golds. Ribbon fin males. More full golds, standard fin. They all seem to be alive. Some red tail females. I do see a couple of DOAs in the bottom. I'll need to get that bag open pretty quick. 3 red tail females, Dumbo red tail females. Alright, go ahead and show you these guys. Okay, these are the red tail ribbons. Very pretty. But I do see 1, 2, there's 3 DOAs in this bag. So I'm gonna have to get this one open quick. That water's not good. Red tail ribbon. We get to this bag. This is also red tail ribbon females, and there is one DOA in this bag right there. The rest are still alive. I believe that's it, just one red tail. I will get those cleaned up first. Those will be the first ones I open. Okay, here's red tail males. One DOA. There is one dead in this one right here. I got it sloshing, but the rest are doing good. The rest are still alive. And I think that's it on the DOAs, which means dead upon arrival. 4 out of my whole shipment is not bad. Not bad at all. And my supplier sends extras just in case. So, not upset at all about that. Oh wait, this is bad. Back to Dumbo Mosaic females. In there. Dumbo Mosaic males. All doing great. Apparently, it's just some of my Dumbo red tails did not make it. Finally. My females? Yeah, these are my blue Engler females. Hard to see, they're real clear right now. Okay, these are my blue Englers males, and I was mistaken. There's 2 DOAs. 3 DOAs in here. If you can see it. But I have 3 of my blue Englers males. Have it a little rough. Another bag, my last bag in there, all alive, red tail females. Alright guys, well I appreciate everybody staying tuned and watching. The box is empty. I've got everything in the tanks acclimating for, I don't know, 20 more minutes maybe, and then I'm going to start opening bags and pouring them through nets and getting them in the tank. Thanks for watching.